Hi everyone! As promised, in this video we will see first what exactly projects are and what are inside these projects, and we'll start getting into how to actually conduct the LCA analysis and what insights can we derive and what importance does it have for SMEs and for eco-innovation in general. Let's start, for example, by seeing company pair. Right now, we have only one analysis that I have already created. So right now we are inside company pair and we have this dashboard where you can see all the analysis inside this project, and essentially we have the functionality of creating an analysis. So let's start from the beginning. Where can we see in this landing page? First, we can see the team we're assigned to, we can see our account, we can see the project company pair. We can go into this search bar and have quick actions, for example, going to analysis, which we are right now. We can go to overview, which is this one. We can go to the dashboard, which is the previous dashboard for seeing all projects. And also we can create a new analysis or create a new team as other quick actions. So this analysis history shows you all analyses that have been conducted inside this project, which are none right now. In the overview, you can see all analyses that you have assigned to as pending reports, and all analyses that you have assigned to reports review, which right now are none because I have no analysis as of now. This tab, to start getting into the actual functionality, serves as a management tool for seeing all analyses that need review, all analyses that are a work in progress, or any type of stages you want. So for example, suppose you have a new phase you want to start tracking, which are reports to send. You can save, and this new stage can have analysis assigned to. We can see in more detail how this works when we have new analysis. As of right now, this is an empty dashboard because, once again, we have no analysis. Just one other thing, we can delete this list and this management phase ceases to exist. So let's start with how to create an analysis. Click on here, or either we click on here and this pop-up appears where you can either give a name to the analysis. I will give process 1 name and a description. This is the LCA analysis for process 1. And we click on create. But I have not yet told you what are analysis. Suppose you are inside department YP and you are working with company pair. Company pair is a manufacturing company that produces, I don't know, a sub-process of pair or a sub-product of pair. And for that, it has different processes to give this final result. But I have not yet told you what are analyses. So suppose this company pair has different processes which have many details associated with each one. It may make sense to give a specialized analysis for each process. So suppose company pair has process 1 and process 2. What you will do is you will create an analysis for process 1 that is already created, and then an analysis for process 2 with a specialized description. And you click on create. Now you have a way to track either the analysis of process 2 and the analysis of process 1. Going back and delaying a bit the nitty-gritty of the LCA, we can go into the analysis history and we can see we have created already two analyses for one process 1 and two, well, process 2. You can here delete, select 2, but I don't want to delete them right now. None is completed because, well, we have not conducted the LCA analysis, and none is processing because we haven't done anything yet for each of the analyses. So let's start with process 1. This dashboard has different functionalities. As you can see, it has a functionality for the analysis, it has a functionality for shared links, for notes and settings. Let's start with the simplest one. The settings allows you to change process 1 to process 1 per peeling and save. Maybe change the analysis to also per peeling, save. You can transfer the analysis to a different project. For example, suppose this analysis was misconducted in this project and you want to change to another project, you can click here and transfer. I don't want to do that right now. And you can delete an analysis right here. And going into more complex and also with more importance in this dashboard, we can leave notes, either private or team notes, and in certain sections of the LCA analysis. We can share, create a share link for sending this analysis to companies or to people or anyone you want that is inside or outside the team, the organization, whatever. Suppose, for example, you want to send this analysis to, for example, to a regulator. You can create a share link with an expiry date, for example, 29th of August. You put here a name to share with the regulator. You click on share, and you have a link that you can then consult. Of course, this has nothing because, well, we have not yet any information inside this analysis. We then have this dashboard where you can revisit all the links, why you share that link, if the access is public or not, the status, if it's active or not, it's active, if the expiry date has not yet come, and you can then delete or copy or edit anything you want. Thank you guys for this video. This is it. I don't want you to overwhelm with the LCA nitty-gritty things without first getting into the basics of how to manage stuff, how to delete stuff, how to edit stuff, and how to share stuff. And in the next video, I promise you, we will get into how to conduct the LCA analysis, how to upload things, how to derive the results, and how to actually be echo-driven.